Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to get paid to chat and easily make $4.50 per minute on this secret website. Earning through chatting on platforms entails utilizing your conversational skills for financial gain. Whether offering companionship or sharing unique insights, numerous avenues open up. Online friendship, sharing personalized experiences, affiliate marketing through subtle recommendations, and suggesting relevant services can all be avenues to monetize your interactions. The essence is in creating meaningful connections that resonate with your audience and passions while seizing opportunities that align with the vibe of the platform and your expertise and interests. The website I'm talking about is rentacyberfriend.com. Rent a Cyberfriend is an online platform that connects people through live video chat. It allows users to either become a cyber friend and earn money by chatting with callers who pay per minute, or become a caller and connect one-on-one with available cyber friends who share their interests. To become a cyber friend, you need to create a profile and set your per minute rate. You can also choose your interests so that callers can find you more easily. Once approved, you can start receiving video chat requests from callers. To become a caller, you need to create an account and add money to your balance. You can then browse profiles of available cyber friends and initiate a video chat whenever you want. You pay per minute, so it's an affordable way to build relationships online. Rent a Cyberfriend is a relatively new platform, so there are few reviews yet. However, the available reviews are positive. People seem to appreciate the convenience of being able to connect with new people from all over the world. They also like the fact that they can earn money by being a cyber friend. As with any online platform, users need to exercise caution, protect their personal information, and be aware of potential risks. To create an account, here's what you need to do. Visit rentacyberfriend.com, provide the necessary information like first name, last name, email address, and password, accept the terms and conditions, then hit sign up. Confirm your email, and that's it. You now have an account to become a cyber friend. Once you're on the dashboard of your account, it will then tell you that you haven't completed setting up your account just yet, and that you need to fill out the required data for you to be able to accept calls. So first, you must upload a profile image with a clear headshot of yourself smiling to create a welcoming first impression for potential clients. Next is your name and last name that can be viewed publicly. Also, include your city, state, and country of origin. Next is a little something about yourself. A bio, with a maximum of 400 characters. Next is your gender and your year of birth. Then your interests and your price per minute. It says here that listing various interests and setting transparent pricing helps attract the right clients for you. And the last required field is the language spoken. Then hit submit. On the left panel, you'll see profile page options, where you can change the theme and profile colors according to your liking. You can also copy your link to advertise your Rent a Cyberfriend profile outside the website to find more clients and potentially earn more. In the same panel under social links is where you can opt to include the links to your other social media accounts for your clients to check out, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and if you happen to have a website, you can put that in as well. Under withdraw earnings, as you can notice, there are only 3 options to withdraw your money. One is via bank transfer. You can always withdraw via PayPal or Stripe if you don't have one. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Under Switch Account, you can switch from being a cyber friend to becoming a caller. It says here that you can switch back anytime and have a separate wallet for your caller and a cyber friend account to keep your current earnings untouched. To become a caller, you must have sufficient balance to initiate a call. Funds in your account will be used to pay for your calls. If you also want to change your email address, the steps are easy. You just have to enter your new email address and then they'll send you a verification link to both your new and old email address. On this website, changing your password is a breeze. Just enter your old and new password, then save the changes made. That easy. Here in Settings, you can turn on the notifications of when you go online. When a caller starts to follow you, when your profile status is changed, when your withdrawal requests have been changed, when someone tips you, and many other notifications you want to turn on. And suppose you're not happy with the website any longer and you wish to delete your account. There's always that option. If you can't access the website, I suggest you use an excellent VPN. Otherwise, you won't be able to follow the trend on this exciting website that opens an opportunity for you, friendly people, to this side hustle that lets you earn money online. If you're considering using Rent a Cyberfriend, I recommend conducting further research, reading available reviews, and familiarizing yourself with the platform's terms of use and safety guidelines. In today's technologically connected world, renting a friend has taken on a new dimension, offering a remarkable, compassionate, and financially rewarding avenue. It's a heartening realization that technology can bring people together meaningfully, bridging gaps and offering solace even in the digital realm. Imagine being able to lend a sympathetic ear, offer genuine companionship and comfort to those facing life's challenges. In a world where loneliness and isolation have become prevalent, the ability to connect personally and provide support is truly an invaluable gift. It's not merely a side hustle, it's an opportunity to make a real difference in someone's life. Earning money through this avenue isn't just about financial gain. It's about transforming the virtual world into a sanctuary of genuine connections. It's about channeling your innate ability to listen, empathize, and uplift into the beautiful symbiosis of companionship and income generation. As you share your time and lend your support, you're contributing to your well-being and profoundly impacting someone else's journey. In a society where mental health challenges are increasingly prevalent, the role of a rented friend becomes all the more significant. Providing a safe space for open conversation about worries, depression, and personal struggles can be transformative. Ultimately, this newly launched website represents a revolution in human interaction, with the boundaries of friendship extend into the digital realm, offering genuine solace, support, and an avenue for personal growth. It's a testament to the power of technology to facilitate authentic connections. It embodies the notion that compassion and companionship can thrive in the virtual world. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence, turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.